So busy.
I went through the maze under there.
You did? No, Jake. Stay away from the hole.
I see you. Over there exploring on your own, huh?
You need to get over there? Okay. 1, 2, 3. You're welcome.
Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey. Micaiah. You're right up on the camera. Oh, you were fine till you knew I was recording you.